Hello guys, it's Julie here, and today I have not one recipe, not two recipes, but three recipes to share with you. They are simple sauces to go with your spring rolls or your gyoza. They're some of my favorite to make, and they're very different, so I wanted to share them with you. Let's get started on the first one. So I was in Vietnam recently, and I learned how to make this sauce, and I love it. It's great for everything. First thing you're gonna wanna start off with is 3 tablespoons of honey. So we're doing the ratio of 3 sweet, 2 sour, 1 salty. Your 2 sour are 2 tablespoons of lime juice. But of course, this could be lemon juice, or this could be orange juice or grapefruit juice. You can play with it. I love it. And then we've got 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Then I'm gonna go in with 6 tablespoons of hot water. I love the incorporation of hot water because it will melt your honey, but it will also heat up all the vegetables we're gonna put in there and help kind of amalgamate the different sauce flavors. Then I'm going in with 2 cloves of garlic. And when I was in Vietnam, I sound like such an asshole. When I was in Vietnam, we had fresh chilies. And of course, here in Canada, it is not time for fresh chilies. So I've got some crushed red pepper, and I actually found these ones that were slightly dried, not entirely dried, and they look really cool. So I'm trying them today. I think they're gonna be delicious. And then I have got about 1/4 cup of finely chopped cucumber. You could also use some finely sliced white onion. Now, screw the top on and give it a shake, and I love to let this sit. I think it's great if you make it ahead of time and then heat up your gyoza or your spring rolls and you let all those flavors come together. It is just that much better. Okay, sauce number 2. This one is a bit of a duplication. Trader Joe's makes an excellent gyoza sauce, and I wanna see if I can recreate it. I think this recipe nailed it. So the first thing we wanna do is go in with our soy sauce, and I think 2 tablespoons is the right ratio. Then to that, I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Then I've got a couple tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro. I've got half a tablespoon of sesame oil. We've got about a tablespoon of finely minced ginger and 1 clove of finely minced garlic. I've got a tablespoon of finely chopped chives. And then I'm gonna go in with a little more of that crushed red pepper. Screw the top on and give it a shake. And then you'll find it's pretty strong. If you like it like this, eat it. Don't do anything. But I found it's a little strong to the palate, so I added in a couple of tablespoons of hot water. And again, the hot water is so great because it opens up that garlic and the ginger and gets everything moving and grooving. That sauce is done and it's perfect. Now the last sauce, this is not my favorite one, but it is the family favorite. It is the one where if you have a large group of people, it's gonna please everyone. This is your traditional sweet and sour sauce. So the first thing you wanna do is make a slurry, and that's gonna be our thickening agent in the sauce. So we've got a tablespoon or so of cornstarch with a little bit of water, give that a stir, and then set it aside. Now, in a saucepan, we are gonna add our pineapple juice, our rice vinegar, some brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, and then maybe a tablespoon or so of soy sauce. Get that boiling over a medium heat, and once it's kind of bubbling away for a minute or so, turn down the heat and add in your slurry. Then you can kind of stir, and you'll notice as you're stirring, it will sort of start to thicken, and then I like to just take it off the heat because it will thicken more in the jar. There you have 3 sauces with 3 entirely different flavors. They're great with gyoza, they're great with spring rolls. I'm so excited for you to try them. Let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get to try one of these amazing sauce recipes, and I will see you next time.